Is your TV buffering during a movie? Does your console lag right in the middle of an online match? You are not alone. Many people connect to the wrong Wi-Fi band without knowing it. Today, I will show you exactly when to use 2.4 GHz and when to use 5 GHz so your TV and console run smooth and stable. Let us fix this step by step. Step 1. Understand the difference between the two Wi-Fi bands. 2.4 GHz travels farther. It passes through walls better, but it is slower. It is also crowded because many devices use it. 5 GHz is much faster. It is perfect for streaming and gaming, but it works best when your device is close to the router. So the quick rule is simple. Use 5 GHz for speed. Use 2.4 GHz for distance and stability. Step 2. Check which Wi-Fi band your TV or console is using. Many routers combine both bands into one network name. This can confuse devices. First, check your connection. On most smart TVs, go to Settings, then go to Network. Then go to Wi-Fi, then check the network name. If you see two networks like this, Home Wi-Fi 5G. The one with 5G means 5 GHz. Connect to that if your TV is close to the router. Step 3. Choose the correct band based on your setup. If your TV or console is in the same room as the router, use 5 GHz. This is best for 4K streaming, online gaming, large downloads. If your device is far from the router or there are several walls between them, switch to 2.4 GHz. This reduces signal drops and buffering. Many real users on support forums report smoother streaming after switching bands. Step 4. Separate the Wi-Fi bands if your router combines them. Some routers use something called band steering. This automatically switches devices between bands, but TVs and consoles sometimes choose the wrong one. You can separate them. Open your router settings. Type your router IP in the browser, usually 192.168.1.1, then log in. Go to wireless settings, then disable Smart Connect or band steering. Now create two names, example, Home Wi-Fi 2G, Home Wi-Fi 5G, then connect your TV or console manually. Step 5. Reduce interference on 2.4 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band is crowded. It overlaps with Bluetooth devices, microwaves, baby monitors. You can fix this. Go to router settings, then go to wireless, then change channel. Set the channel to 1, 6, or 11. These channels reduce interference. Many router manufacturers recommend this. Step 6. Move your router slightly for better signal. This simple trick works surprisingly well. Place the router in an open space, above table height, away from walls and metal objects. Even moving it 1 meter can improve signal strength. Many gamers report big improvements after repositioning the router. Step 7. Use Ethernet if possible. This is the best option for consoles and TVs. A wired connection gives lower latency, stable speed, no wireless interference. Simply connect an Ethernet cable from router to TV or console. This is the method recommended by PlayStation, Xbox, and many streaming platforms. If your TV or console still has Wi-Fi issues, write your problem in the comments. I reply to every comment within 1 hour. Please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to TechVibes for more simple tech fixes. Stay connected, stay smooth, and enjoy your streaming and gaming without interruptions.